Hello! We are going to do an air transport. It's not an air balloon. It's not a rocket. Can you guess it?
Yes, an airplane. The materials that we need are 1. Toilet paper roll, 2. A carton box, 3. Pencil and felty pen, 4. Scissors, 5. Paint, 6. Paintbrush, and 7. Glue. Let's start. First, draw the wings of our airplane. Then, cut them. Now it's time for coloring. Before to stick the wings, you have to do a little bend on them. Like this, you can stick the wings easily. Finally, put some decorations on your airplane. Here it is! We have an aeroplane!
Now I want to see your creations. Bye bye, friends!